Hi, today I want to share with you my experience of working with the best service in the best web hosting category. After testing over 24 hosting sites, I chose the most reliable one for myself. This is a feature-rich web hosting service at fantastic prices. In this short video, I will show you a few secrets that few people know about that make it truly one of the best in the best web hosting category. Don't forget to subscribe and watch our other videos. Let's not waste time and get started.
When it comes to selecting a hosting provider, 34SP stands out as a premier choice in the UK. With a focus on delivering exceptional service and unparalleled reliability, this hosting company caters to businesses of all sizes, ensuring that every client receives tailored support and resources. In today's digital landscape, a website's uptime is crucial. 34SP employs state-of-the-art technology to provide robust and secure hosting solutions. Their servers are strategically located in various data centers, ensuring that your website is accessible at all times and runs smoothly, even during traffic surges. The security measures implemented, including firewalls, DDoS protection, and regular backups, safeguard your data, giving you peace of mind. 34SP is celebrated for its customer-centric approach. Their support team is available 24/7, ensuring that clients can get help whenever needed. This dedication to customer service sets 34SP apart from many competitors. Whether you're a beginner looking for guidance or an experienced developer requiring technical assistance, 34SP's knowledgeable staff is always ready to lend a hand. Their commitment to personalized service means you'll never feel like just another number. In an era where environmental consciousness is paramount, 34SP takes pride in its eco-friendly initiatives. They actively work to reduce their carbon footprint by using renewable energy sources and supporting green projects. Their commitment to sustainability resonates with environmentally conscious businesses and individuals who want to align their online presence with their values. 34SP provides a diverse range of services designed to cater to the needs of different clients. Web hosting tailored for small and medium businesses, 34SP's web hosting solutions offer exceptional performance, reliability, and scalability. With specialized packages for WordPress users, 34SP ensures that your WordPress site runs smoothly, complete with pre-installed themes and plugins. 34SP offers professional website design and development services, helping you create a stunning and functional website that reflects your brand. In a world where online presence is essential for business success, partnering with a reliable hosting provider like 34SP can significantly impact your digital journey. Don't miss the opportunity to elevate your online presence. Consider 34SP for your hosting needs. When searching for a hosting provider that combines reliability, affordability, and excellent service, UK2 emerges as a standout choice. This company has built a solid reputation in the hosting industry by offering a wide range of solutions tailored to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes. With top-tier data centers equipped with the latest hardware and software, they guarantee high speeds and minimal downtime. This means your website can handle high traffic volumes without compromising performance. The technology behind UK2 also includes state-of-the-art caching systems and content delivery networks that enhance loading times and improve user experience. What sets UK2 apart is its exceptional customer support. Clients have access to assistance 24/7 through live chat, email, and phone support. This means that regardless of the time or issue, you can rely on their expert team to resolve your queries promptly. UK2 is also committed to sustainability. They invest in green technologies and initiatives to reduce their environmental impact. By choosing UK2, you are not only selecting a reliable hosting service, but also aligning your business with a provider that prioritizes eco-friendliness and corporate responsibility. UK2 takes an active role in the hosting community by providing clients with resources to enhance their knowledge. Their blog features valuable articles on various topics, from SEO tips to web development best practices. This commitment to sharing knowledge empowers clients to improve their online presence and make informed decisions regarding their hosting. By selecting UK2, you're making a choice for quality and reliability in your hosting provider. Their diverse offerings and commitment to customer satisfaction ensure that you can grow your business online effectively. If you are looking for a hosting provider that prioritizes sustainability while delivering quality service, Eco Web Hosting is the ideal choice. This company has revolutionized the hosting industry by offering eco-friendly solutions that cater to businesses looking to minimize their environmental impact. Eco Web Hosting stands out with its commitment to using 100% renewable energy for its hosting services. This approach ensures that your website runs on clean energy, reducing its carbon footprint significantly. By opting for Eco Web Hosting, you are not only choosing a reliable hosting provider, but also aligning your business with sustainable practices that resonate with eco-conscious consumers. Eco Web Hosting offers a comprehensive suite of services designed to meet the needs of various clients. An excellent choice for small businesses and personal projects, Eco Web Hosting's shared hosting plans provide a cost-effective solution without compromising on performance. With specialized packages tailored for WordPress users, Eco Web Hosting ensures optimal performance for your WordPress sites, complete with pre-installed plugins and themes. Eco Web Hosting prides itself on providing top-notch customer support. Their team of experts is available to assist you with any inquiries or technical issues you may encounter. Whether through email or chat, you can expect prompt and knowledgeable assistance to ensure your hosting experience is seamless. Eco Web Hosting goes beyond just hosting services. They actively engage in community initiatives aimed at promoting sustainability. By partnering with environmental organizations, they contribute to conservation efforts and raise awareness about the importance of eco-friendly practices in the digital age. Choosing Eco Web Hosting means investing in a sustainable future while benefiting from high-quality hosting solutions. With their commitment to renewable energy and exceptional customer service, you can build a responsible online presence that reflects your values. Selecting the right hosting provider is crucial for your online success. Whether you choose 34SP, UK2, or Eco Web Hosting, you're partnering with companies that prioritize quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. If you want to learn more about hosting solutions and how they can benefit your business, make sure to subscribe to our channel for regular updates and tips. Your engagement supports our mission to provide valuable insights to our community.